In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect CFI to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to tradingview.com, which is their official website, and then you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet, and you want to hover over products and click on the super charts. Whenever you are inside their super charts over here, you want to go to the very bottom left here, where you're going to be able to see it says trading panel. So it looks like this. Click on trading panel, and then just click on this button to actually pop it up. There we go. And then in here, you should be able to find the CFI. Now for me, it's over here, as you can see, but for you, you may have to click show all brokers to actually show it. Look for it and then click on CFI. And then here, you basically just have to type in your CFI username and password, and then click on the connect button over here, and this will connect your CFI account to TradingView, and you'll be able to go ahead and use it directly over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.